speaking English in London.
Hey, are you okay? You look a little nervous.
Yeah, I'm okay. Just something happened this morning.
Oh? Tell me, what happened?
I went to the coffee shop near the train station. I tried to order in English, but the man behind the counter, he spoke so fast.
I know that feeling. What did he say?
I don't even remember. I just froze. Everyone behind me was waiting. I felt my heart beating so fast.
Oh, Mark, that happens to so many people. What did you do?
I said nothing. I just smiled and pointed to the coffee. And then the people behind me laughed.
That must have hurt.
Yeah, I walked outside and I felt small, like my English will never be good enough.
Oh, Mark, listen to me carefully. Your English is good enough. You are learning. You are brave.
Brave?
Yes, because you tried. You spoke. You didn't hide. That's what brave people do. Let's practice together. Repeat after me, slowly. Ready? I am learning every day.
I am learning every day.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
I am not afraid to make mistakes.
My English is getting better.
My English is getting better.
I am proud of myself.
I am proud of myself.
Yes, that's it. You see, you can speak. You just need to believe it.
You're right. Maybe next time I'll go back to that same coffee shop.
Yes, and you'll say, "Good morning. I'd like one coffee, please." And you'll smile, and you'll feel strong.
Good morning. I'd like one coffee, please.
Perfect. Step by step, Mateo. That's how we grow.
A walk in the park.
Excuse me. Hi, is this seat taken?
Oh, no, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you. It's such a beautiful morning, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. The weather's perfect today.
I love mornings like this. Peaceful. Just the sound of the wind, the trees. It feels calm.
Yeah, I come here almost every morning before work. It helps me clear my head.
Oh, that's nice. I just moved here last week. Still trying to find my quiet spot.
Welcome to Chicago, then. You chose a good park. This one's my favorite.
Thank you. It already feels like home here. So, how's your first week been?
Honestly, good, but also a little hard.
Hard?
Yeah, my English. I thought it was okay, but when people talk fast, I freeze. My mind just goes blank.
I understand. That happens to a lot of people. Yesterday, I went to buy coffee. The barista asked me something, and I just couldn't answer. Everyone behind me was watching me.
That must have felt uncomfortable.
It did. I felt small.
Hey, don't say that. You're doing great right now. You're speaking clearly.
Thank you. Maybe because you speak slowly.
Maybe slow and simple works, right?
Yes, simple is good.
Let's practice a little. Look around. Tell me what you see.
I see trees.
Good. I see trees. What else?
I see a man. He walk his dog.
Almost perfect. Remember, He walks his dog.
Oh, yes. He walks his dog.
Exactly. You're learning fast.
Thank you. Oh, look, the children. They play over there.
Yes. They play. Perfect.
It feels easy when I speak slowly.
That's the secret. You don't have to be fast. You just have to be brave.
Brave?
Yeah. Speaking a new language is brave. Every time you try, you win a little battle.
I like that. Every time you try, you win a little battle.
Exactly.
Thank you, Max. I feel better now.
You should. You're doing great.
Maybe I'll come to the park again tomorrow. Practice more English.
I'll probably be here too. Same time, same bench.
Really?
Really? Maybe next time you can teach me something.
Like what?
Maybe a word from your language?
Deal. See you tomorrow, Max.
See you tomorrow, Lucy.
Waiting for the bus.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop for number 12?
Yeah, it is. You're in the right place.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure. I've been standing here for 10 minutes.
Yeah, it's always late. Welcome to New York buses.
Oh, I see.
Are you new here?
Yes, I moved here 2 weeks ago. Everything feels big.
It's a big city, yeah. But you'll get used to it.
I hope so. I want to ask people for help, but my English is not very good.
You're speaking great right now.
Maybe because you speak slowly?
That's the secret. Speak slow, think slow, and breathe.
I forget to breathe sometimes, especially when I speak English.
I used to feel the same when I learned French. My mind went blank every time.
Really?
Yeah, but here's something my teacher told me. Even silence is part of the conversation.
I like that. Even silence is part of the conversation.
Exactly. You don't need perfect words. You just need courage.
Courage. That's hard sometimes.
It gets easier. Every time you speak, you're building it, bit by bit.
Bit by bit.
There it is. Our bus.
Oh, thank you. You helped me more than you know.
Anytime. Maybe I'll see you here again tomorrow?
Maybe you will. But next time, I'll start the conversation.
I'll be waiting.
See you tomorrow, Max.
See you tomorrow, Lucy.
Sometimes confidence begins at a bus stop.
Asking for help at the library.
Excuse me.
Oh, hi there. Can I help you?
I think so. I'm looking for, a book.
Sure. What kind of book are you looking for?
A book for learning English. Simple English.
Ah, I see. You came to the right place. Are you a student?
Not really. I want to speak better. But when I talk, my words disappear.
That's okay. You are speaking very clearly right now.
Maybe because you are kind. Some people, they don't understand me.
I understand you perfectly. Don't worry. Everyone feels nervous in the beginning.
You think so?
Absolutely. When I learned Spanish, I couldn't even ask for water. I was so scared to speak.
Really?
Really? I remember standing in a small shop trying to say one word and nothing came out. Just silence.
I know that feeling. It's like your mind goes blank.
Exactly. But here's the secret. If you keep trying, the fear gets smaller every time.
Smaller?
Yeah, every word you say, even if it's not perfect, makes you braver.
I like that. Every word makes you braver.
So let's find that book. Follow me. English section is this way.
This place is beautiful. So quiet.
Yeah, I love it here. Books make me feel calm.
Me too. They don't laugh when I make mistakes.
Neither do I.
Thank you.
Here we go. English for beginners. Or maybe you'd like everyday English conversations.
Everyday English. I like this one.
Good choice. It has short dialogues. You can even read them out loud here if you want.
Out loud? Here?
Grinning. Why not? It's quiet, but not that quiet.
Maybe next time.
Deal. Next time, you read one page. I'll listen.
Okay, maybe next time.
Hands her the book. Here you go. Step 1 of your English adventure.
Step 1. I like that.
And you already started it.
Thank you, Max. Really.
You're welcome, Lucy. I'll be here most afternoons if you ever need help.
Maybe I'll see you again then.
I hope so.
Me too.
Every page you read, every word you say, makes you braver.
Hey! Wait, Bella! Don't run too far.
She's fast. Is that your dog?
Yes, she loves to run. I'm sorry, she almost ran into you.
No worries. I've seen worse. I'm Max, by the way.
I'm Lucy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. And who's this speedy little one?
This is Bella. She's my best friend, actually.
I get it. I have a dog too. His name's Charlie. He's over there, chasing the same stick for 10 minutes.
Oh, he's so cute.
Thanks. So, are you new around here? I haven't seen you before.
Yeah, I moved here last month. It's my first time at this park.
Welcome to the neighborhood. It's a great place. Friendly people, happy dogs, lots of sunshine.
I like it already, but it's a little hard for me to talk to people.
Hard? Why?
My English, it's not perfect. I always feel shy.
You sound perfect to me.
Oh, you're just being nice.
No, really. Everyone makes small mistakes, even native speakers.
Maybe, but when I speak, people look at me funny. I forget words, and then I stop talking.
Hey, look at Bella. She doesn't stop running just because someone watches her.
That's true. She just runs.
Exactly. You don't need to speak perfectly. Just speak. Keep running.
Keep running. I like that.
You know what? I come here every morning before work.
Really?
Yeah. Maybe tomorrow, you and Bella can join me.
I'd like that. Thank you, Max, for listening.
Anytime, Lucy. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.